What is up, guys? Welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error where you're unable to play certain Roblox experiences because of your account settings. First, open your browser in your PC and navigate to the roblox.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in into your account, go up to the right and select the gear icon and then select Settings. Next, now that we're in the settings, in the left sidebar, first go to Privacy and find Account Restrictions. After that, disable your account restrictions. If you do this and you're still unable to play an experience, go to the left sidebar again and select Parental Controls, then scroll down and make sure that the allowed experiences is set to 13 plus. Now, if that still doesn't work, I recommend logging out of your Roblox account, rebooting your computer, and then logging back in. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.